Hi guys, welcome back to another edition of the Year End IPO Series by Tradeable. I'm Ronak, and we'll be discussing some of the IPOs that have hit the market this week, like we discussed in the previous video as well. Let's look at the 5 that have opened today. Firstly, let's look at some of the IPOs under the 100 rupee per share per issue price segment. So we've got Electro Force Limited, RBZ Jewelers Limited, and Shanti Spintex Limited. Their respective lot sizes are 1200, 150, and 2000. Electro Force and Shanti are planning on listing on the NSE SME board, which is the small and medium enterprises board, while RBZ is looking for a main board listing. Broadly, the 3 companies are looking to raise approximately 210 crores. Now let's look at some of the bigger issues that are looking at the main board, which is Credo Brands Marketing as well as Happy Forgings Limited. We'll do a little bit of a deep dive, just give you some headline information so you all are aware of what's happening in each of these companies and the IPOs respectively. Let's start with Credo. Credo is actually, you would have heard of the brand, it's the flagship brand of Mufti. The company currently operates approximately 1,800 retail outlets across the country. They're looking to raise oddly 500 odd crores in a purely offer for sale issue, which actually means that the capital will be distributed to the selling shareholders. Post IPO, the promoters will own approximately 55% of the company. The company's recent growth has been on the stronger side of things, with 3-year CAGR in revenue and profitability of 43 and 37% respectively. They've got decent net profit margins of almost 16% and an ROE of 30% in FY23. The Indian men's apparel wear market is expected to grow between 18% between FY23 and FY27. From a valuation perspective, they're valued at approximately 23 times PE on the current year, which in context of other players would seem reasonable. On the 18th of December, the company sold approximately 165 crores worth of shares to several anchor investors. These anchor investors would include the likes of Morgan Stanley, HSBC Mutual Fund, Aditya Birla Sun Life, SBI General Insurance, Kotak Mahindra Life Insurance, and JM Mutual Funds are some of the anchor investors who participated in the anchor swap for Credo Marketing Limited. From a overall perspective, 1.9 times has been the subscription. Retail side, 2.0 times the issue has been subscribed. Now let's have a look at the other company, which is Happy Forgings Limited. It's an Indian manufacturer specializing in designing and manufacturing of heavy forgings and high precision machined components. The company is looking to raise oddly 1,000 crores. It serves a wide variety of industries, including automotive, farm equipment, off-highway vehicles, industrial machinery for oil and gas, power generation, railways and more. They're a 4th generation company with the 4th largest in the country. The global forging and machinery market is projected to grow at a CAGR of 5.2% till 2029. If we look at the financial performance, revenue, EBITDA and PAT have also grown pretty strongly, 43%, 47% and 55% respectively in the last 3 odd years. They're looking to raise oddly 1,008 crores from this public issue, which is a mix of primary as well as secondary. As we speak, the IPO has already been subscribed 2.02 times, with the retail portion subscribed by 2.83 times. From a valuation perspective, at the upper end of the price band, the company is valued at oddly 8,000 odd crores post money, which is taking into consideration the amount being raised. This roughly gives the company a PE of 38.4 times, which looks to be reasonably valued when you compare it to their peers. There you have it, guys. We've looked at 5 companies are looking to access the market to be listed in the next 3 days. We've gone into detail with the manufacturer for Mufti as well as for Happy Forgings. If you guys want any additional information, do let us know in the comments, and we can DM you that whatever extra additional questions that you may have. We look to cover the rest of the companies that are sort of also participating the next coming days with some more videos like this. In the meantime, do like and subscribe and share it with your friends. It will be of great use to us. And thank you so much for having a look at this video.